Hi, I'm Robin, if you don't know me, and I am going to be doing a thrift flip today. I've been doing thrift flips for a while, but I'm moving to Seattle in a week, so I thought, what better time to start putting them on YouTube than right now? So our local Goodwill just opened back up, so I went and got some stuff, including this dress. So I will go put it on and show you the before and talk about what my plan is. Here is the dress on. It fits pretty well, but it's just not really the style that I want. It's just kind of like, you know, straight down the sides. And it's a little bit long for what I usually wear. So my plan is to take in the sides. There's a zipper in the back, so I'm going to try and leave that alone. We don't want to mess with zippers. Not here, not in this household. Okay, so the plan is to take in the sides and then bring up the hem to make it like mini, like kind of, you feel? Alright, so I put the dress on inside out and I'm going to pin the sides so that I know where to sew it so it fits me. Alright, so I'm just pinning the dress now, leaving a little bit of room so I can make some mistakes, which I will do. And if you have safety pins, I would use those because I poked myself when trying to take the dress off after pinning them. Anyway, here I am sewing down the line where I pinned. And like I said, I had to go back until about 1/4 of an inch in further because it was still a little bit too big, but you'll see how it looks after I fix that mistake in the next clip. So just sew down both sides where you pinned it, and hopefully you pinned it better than I did and no pins fell out when you were taking off the dress and you didn't get poked 100 times, but not like that happened to me. Alright, so I sewed the sides up from where I pinned them, and I think it's fitting pretty well how I wanted. And once I cut off the extra fabric on the inside, it will fit even better because there won't just be like all the extra fabric flopping around on the inside, you know? Wow, that was weird. Okay, just go ahead and cut out this extra fabric that's in the middle now. I don't know why I didn't show it, but you should do it before you pin the hem and sew the hem, or else it will get all caught up in the hem and you'll have a puffy hem and it'll look really weird, and I've done this before, so just listen to what I'm saying and not what I'm showing you, and cut out the extra fabric once you know it fits before you pin and sew the hem, and your life will be so much better. Anyway, so the next step is just going to be to hem it the length I want. So I'm just gonna get my pins out again and pin. So let me get those. Alright, so you're just gonna fold up the bottom to where you want it and then pin that fabric there so you know the length. It's gonna be pretty interesting how this turns out. Not really, I don't know why I said that, it's just a hem. It's just a straight stitch. It's not that interesting. But here I am sewing it. Alright, so I tried the dress on and I wanted it a little bit shorter than I hemmed it. So I hemmed it right here, and this is all the extra fabric. So I'm going to cut that off, and then I'm just going to fold the hem that I already sewed over again 1 inch or 2. And then sew basically back over my original sewing line. I think that's my plan. This is based off of nothing also, by the way. It's just based off of, you know, what I want to do. I don't actually know how, like, to sew. So there's your tea for today. Before you cut off this fabric, make sure you try the dress on and figure out that it's not too short, because if you cut off this fabric and it's too short, you will not be able to make it longer again. So just make sure you try it on first, and then cut it off if you need to make it even shorter like I did, and then repin where you want the new hem, and then go ahead and just sew. I sewed over my original line just because it was there and it was an easy guide for me. It made my hem pretty thick, but it wasn't that bad in the final. And here's the reveal. Here's the before, which you saw earlier, just for comparison, and then we go to after. I really like how it turned out. It was a quick, easy project, and I think it's really cute. And here's just a clip of me outside because it was nice and warm and I wanted to show off my shoes. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe and I'll be posting more soon. Thank you so much for watching.